Meaning of Fannie Farmer.
Fannie Farmer.
Fannie Farmer.
Fannie Farmer.
Fannie Farmer. Fannie Farmer was an American culinary expert and author who revolutionized cooking in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. She is primarily known for her cookbook, the Boston Cooking School Cookbook, which is still in print today. The book provided clear and precise instructions for recipes, as well as standardized measurements for ingredients, which was a first at the time. This allowed people to achieve consistent results in their cooking and helped elevate cooking from a domestic task to a respected profession. Fannie Farmer's contribution to the culinary arts is still felt today.